What if you could create something once and get paid for it over and over again? That's the power of digital products. From eBooks and online courses to templates, stock photos, and printables, digital products are a smart way to build passive income streams that run while you sleep. No inventory, no shipping, just scalable income from something you already know or love doing. In this video, we'll explore the most profitable digital products in 2025, how people are making real money from them, and how you can start your own automated income stream, even if you're starting from scratch. Today, we will talk about digital products that generate monthly income on Autopilot. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. 1. eBooks and short guides. eBooks are one of the most accessible digital products you can create. You can write about anything that solves a problem or answers a question. Fitness plans, budgeting guides, career tips, or even how to start a YouTube channel. They don't need to be long. Even a 10,000 to 15,000 word guide can provide real value if it's well written and focused. Use tools like Google Docs or export from Canva or Microsoft Word. You can publish directly on Amazon Kindle or sell through platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or your own website. Once your ebook is live, it can sell daily with no extra effort, especially if you have a simple marketing funnel, such as a landing page and email list. 2. Printable planners and templates. Printable products are hugely popular because they're easy to make and appeals to visual buyers. Think daily planners, budget sheets, workout logs, social media templates, or feeding schedules. You can create these in Canva or PowerPoint and save them as PDFs. Once your designs are uploaded to platforms like Etsy or Creative Market, they earn every time someone downloads. You don't manage inventory or shipping, and the design you make today can sell forever. 3. Online courses and mini classes. Online courses can be premium products that earn much more than simple downloads. If you have a skill like photography, writing, Excel, or fitness, you can record short videos, add worksheets, and teach what you know. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare let you upload content and handle payments. If your course solves a real problem, good marketing via social media or an email list can bring consistent sales. Once the course is live, it earns while you rest. You can update content yearly, but most of the money comes from your initial effort. 4. Stock photos, video footage, or music. Creative content doesn't have to be seen directly by people. If you're a photographer, musician, or videographer, you can upload your work to stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, Pond5, or Epidemic Sound. Every time someone downloads your photo, music track, or video clip, you earn a commission. Building a library takes time, but over time, each new asset adds to your monthly income. This continues to work behind the scenes long after your content is uploaded. 5. Website themes, plugins, and graphics. If you have basic design or coding skills, you can build digital tools that help other website owners. WordPress themes, Shopify templates, logo packs, icons, mockups, even simple plugins are all in demand. Platforms like ThemeForest, Creative Market, or Code Canyon allow you to sell these products, and they can become reliable sources of income once they gain traction and reviews. This strategy demands stronger skills, but pays off with recurring sales and updates. 6. Print-on-demand designs. Print-on-demand, POD, lets you sell t-shirts, mugs, posters, and more, all without inventory. You upload your designs to sites like Printful, Teespring, or Redbubble. When someone buys, the design is printed and shipped without your involvement. Your income comes from the difference between the print cost and your sale price. The initial effort is in creating designs and setting up your store. After that, sales happen automatically. 7. Digital toolkits and resource bundles. If you've created several individual digital products, Consider packaging them into a bundle at a higher price. For example, you could offer an ultimate blogger toolkit with templates, graphics, SEO checklist, and ebook. Bundles provide more value and higher price points while giving customers everything they need to succeed. This can boost income and customer satisfaction. 8. Membership communities or subscription sites. Subscription-based digital products work on autopilot once built. Think of private websites or groups where members pay monthly for access to content, like premium articles, videos, or live Q&A sessions. Platforms like Patreon, Kajabi, or Memberful manage content delivery and payments. You only need to add value periodically. Subscription models are powerful because income is predictable and scalable as membership grows. 9. Audio guides, meditations, and voice content. Not all digital products are written. If you speak well or know how to guide others, consider audio products. Guided meditations, mindful coaching sessions, or audio-based lessons can be downloaded or streamed. These can be sold as single downloads or bundled in apps like Insight Timer or implemented through membership platforms. Once recorded, they can bring in buyers again and again. 10. Templates for productivity, design, or business use. People pay for tools that simplify work. Templates, like editing calendar spreadsheets, professional resume designs, pitching decks, or automating Instagram stories, can be made in Google Sheets, Canva, or PowerPoint. If your template saves people time or boosts their results, they'll pay. Upload your product to Etsy, Gumroad, or your own store, and watch it sell on Autopilot. Why digital products work on Autopilot? Digital products are unique in how they scale. You create once, you sell forever. Without physical goods, you eliminate inventory, shipping, and storage costs. That means higher profit margins and passive sales. Add a simple affiliate funnel, set a price, upload to a platform, promote via email or ads, and you're set. New customers continue to find and buy your products while you focus on new ideas or enjoy your free time. Key steps to success. Focus on value. Identify real problems or desires people have. Don't guess. Research social media, forums, or keyword tools for demand. Create high quality. Even PDFs or audio files should feel professional. Use clear formatting, polished graphics, proper editing. Build a simple funnel. Offer a freebie, like a checklist, in exchange for email. Use email marketing to introduce your digital product softly. Pick the right platform. Use marketplaces or your own storefront, depending on your budget, skills, and target audience. Choose pricing strategically. Start with lower prices to build trust. Later, bundle or raise prices gradually for higher return. Promote consistently. Daily social posts, blog content, or paid ads. Quick features on Reddit or niche groups can drive initial traction. Monitor and improve. Track sales, feedback, and platform reviews. Mistakes to avoid. Thinking a nice design is enough. Content must solve a real problem or create value. Relying on a single platform. Platforms change rules, cut visibility, or fail. Own your email list and website. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.